Revolutionize your backyard without grass. Tired of maintaining a grass lawn? Discover stunning backyard ideas without grass. Reimagine your outdoor space with low-maintenance, creative alternatives that save time and water while adding beauty and functionality. Grass-free backyards offer numerous benefits, including reduced upkeep, water conservation, and versatility in design. Enjoy a personalized, sustainable environment that caters to your lifestyle and aesthetic preferences without the hassle of traditional lawn care. Consider setting up a stone patio for a classic and durable space. Stones come in various colors and textures, creating an elegant, long-lasting area perfect for entertaining or relaxing. Installing a wooden or composite deck can elevate your backyard. Decks provide a warm, inviting platform for gatherings, seamlessly blending with your home's architecture and the natural surroundings. Create a low-maintenance gravel garden. Gravel gardens offer excellent drainage, minimal upkeep, and a modern look. Combine gravel with drought-tolerant plants for a stylish, eco-friendly retreat. Artificial turf offers a lush, green look without the upkeep of natural grass. It's pet-friendly, durable, and ideal for areas with water restrictions. However, it can be hot underfoot. Water features add tranquility and beauty to any backyard. Fountains, ponds, or waterfalls create a soothing ambience and attract wildlife. They also serve as a focal point for your outdoor space. Durable and stylish outdoor furniture enhances any backyard. Choose materials like teak, metal, or weather-resistant wicker for longevity. Comfortable seating areas invite relaxation and social gatherings. Pavers and walkways provide endless design possibilities. They create defined paths and can be arranged in various patterns. Pavers are durable, low maintenance, and add a polished look to your yard. A cozy fire pit seating area extends your backyard's usability into cooler evenings. It serves as a social hub for roasting marshmallows, storytelling, and enjoying warmth under the stars. Vertical gardens offer a lush, green option without the need for traditional grass. They maximize space and add a unique visual element, perfect for small backyards or urban environments. Raised garden beds elevate your planting space, making gardening accessible and organized. They improve soil quality and drainage, perfect for growing flowers, vegetables, and herbs in a controlled environment. Creating a kid-friendly play area without grass can be fun and safe. Use rubber mats, outdoor toys, and soft surfaces to design a playful, low-maintenance space your children will love. Pergolas and gazebos provide shade and structure, transforming your backyard into a comfortable retreat. These features offer a stylish way to enjoy outdoor living, perfect for relaxation or entertaining. Strategic outdoor lighting enhances your backyard's ambience and functionality. Use string lights, lanterns, and spotlights to highlight key areas, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for evening gatherings. Transform your backyard into a practical and beautiful space with an edible garden. Grow herbs, vegetables, and fruits right outside your door, ensuring fresh ingredients for your meals. A Zen garden offers a serene and minimalist escape. Incorporate sand, rocks, and carefully chosen plants to create a peaceful environment that invites reflection and relaxation. Add charm and functionality to your backyard with outdoor lighting. Strategically place lights to highlight pathways, plants, and seating areas, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for evenings. Create a welcoming space for gatherings with a fire pit area. Arrange comfortable seating around the fire pit, perfect for cozy conversations and roasting marshmallows on cool nights. Ready to transform your backyard? Like, subscribe, and share for more inspiring ideas. Explore endless possibilities and turn your outdoor space into a personalized haven of comfort and style.